Counting for kids. Hi, my name is Tinker. Let's learn counting together from 0 to 10. Are you ready? Let's go. First number 0. 0 means nothing. Repeat after me. 0. Next number 1. There is one juicy apple. Say it with me. 1. 2. We have 2 beautiful bicycles. Count with me. 1, 2. Jump 2 times and shout. 2. 3. We have 3 colorful pencils. Count them. 1, 2, 3. Say it loud. 3, 4. 4 flamingos. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Say it. 4. 5. We have 5 silly bananas. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jump and say 5. 6. 6 yummy mangoes. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Say it loudly. 6. 7. We have 7 cups for tea time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Whisper it like a secret. 7. 8. There are 8 brushes for painting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Say it with the spin. 8, 8. 9. We have 9 magical mushrooms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's say it again. 9. 10. Wow! 10 tasty ice creams we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Well done.
Say it one more time. 10. Now let's count them all together. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! You did it! You are super smart. Next time, we will learn even bigger numbers. See you next time. Thanks for watching.